children. So, in the previous class, we were discussing about the race and nationality, and we have learned race and nationality are the cause of the individual differences. I mean, the Indian looked differently, the Chinese look differently, and the Americans they look differently. Why? Because we uh, are different in culture, in nationality, the place where we live in. The next is sex. A few basic differences in general among males and females exist, though there are exceptions. Men are generally good at motor skills, and women generally excel in the creative field. The men generally are left brain dominated, and women right brain dominated. Though this is not a rule. The next is age. Age is another factor which is responsible in bringing individual differences. Learning abilities and adjustment capacity naturally grow with age. When one is mature, he can acquire better control over his emotions and social responsibilities. Of course, uh, you're in class 9, you're not matured enough to understand each and everything, but once you will grow bigger and you will be more mature, then you will understand each and every aspect of life. You will learn the new things, you get the ability to adjust, and that comes as and when you grow in your age. Next is education. Education is very important in this. So, education is another major factor which brings individual differences. There is a wide difference in the behavior pattern of educated and uneducated persons. We all know and we have seen, right? All traits of human being like social, emotional, and intellectual are controlled and modified through proper education. So, human beings, all the traits of human beings like social, emotional, intellectual are can be controlled or can be changed through the proper education. Education also brings a change in our attitude, behavior, appreciations, personality, etc. If we are educated, our personality is different, and we know the personality of the uneducated people also. It is seen that uneducated persons are guided by their instinct and emotions, whereas the educated persons are guided by their reasoning power. The next is types of individual differences. The various type of individual differences are explained as under. The first is differences in interest. Interest may refer to a motivating force that impels here means again motivates. Okay, that means force us to attend to a person, a thing, or an activity. So everybody has a different interest. Difference in attitude is psychorelated. A person may have a positive attitude towards a specific topic, subject, and profession, and can differ from some other person. Everybody has got a different attitude. Some are very polite, some are very aggressive. uh, Next is differences in values. Values are the things that are given importance by an individual. Some people may indulge into materialistic lifestyle while others may value austere lifestyle. Austere means very simple. Okay. uh, the next is differences in psychomotor skills. Psychomotor skill is related to the skill acquisition. Some students are skilled at football while some are skilled in cricket. Some students may easily learn operating a machine while others may find it difficult to operate a machine. So this happens with the different people. The fifth one is differences in self concept. Some people have positive self concept which boost their confidence level and helps them to perform better than those who have a negative self image. Have you heard this term, think positive, be positive, then only the positive things comes to you, positive positive things will happen to you. So uh, it is a difference. Everyone is unique, this comes with this. So everyone is different. Some things only in a positive way, some things only in the negative way. So those who think positively, they increase their confidence level and they perform better than those who always think negative. The next okay, now this chapter is almost over. uh, Conclusively, we understand that every person is a separate individual with his or her own identity. No one is a copy of another person. We sometimes try to imitate another person, we try to copy some other, but it is wrong to try to act like someone else. We all are different and must remain so in our thoughts, words, and action. We should remain so. We all are different. uh, there is no need to copy a person. If the boy is wearing this, his hairstyle is like that, I also want in the same way. You copy the dressing sense, dressing style, you start walking in the same way the other person is doing. But you should not do, because we all are unique, we all are different, and we must remain different, so in our thoughts, words, and actions. This world is made up of millions of different individuals, but you are one of them, and so are all your classmates are also unique. You have your own individuality, and so have they also have their different individuality, and you also. So you need to understand this and think before you talk about somebody else, because everybody has a different way to think. Okay, now here some word meanings are given. Hereditary, characteristics given to a child by its parents through genes. Ideals means perfect or standards. Stature means height. Shouldering means carrying on. Impels, urges, incites, motivates. Okay, so you need to write these word meanings in your copy, and also the exercises of this chapter. You will do it on your own because you are in class 9, as you were doing in the previous chapters also. So this chapter is over, and we'll do one activity here on page number 34. Okay, open, you see page number 34, there is an activity. The problem of old age in India. You will read the following paragraph and you need to give your opinion about this paragraph, and you need to suggest the points through which we can improve the life of the senior citizens according to you. What you think, because you are a different individual personality, everyone is a different personality, you think in a different way. So what would you like to do to improve the life of the senior citizens? Alright, so we'll continue in the next class, the next chapter. Till then, you do this work in your copy. God bless you all.